Hey guys, in this video, this is going to be a lot shorter than the last one that I did on how to create color documents using Staples. So I'm a teacher, I'm an art teacher, and this is for just any teachers who want to make any types of documents or visuals for their class using Staples. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. It would help if I spelled it right. Okay, and let me tell you, if you've never watched my videos, I don't go back and edit them. I need to. Shout out to Boone Boys. That is my brother, and then his boys and my dad. They have a great channel. It has these wonderful edits, and I'm not quite there yet with my skills. Okay, so I've already gotten logged in because right over here on this other, I'm like pointing to it as if you can see it, but right over here on this other one, I'm going to switch over there to show you how, now that I've done this numerous times, how I'm going to print. I'm going to get the most color prints, the largest color prints for the smallest amount of money. And I can get an amen from all the teachers I know because, you know, we like free and we like cheap. Okay, so, sorry, services. So we're going to go to services. You're going to go to... let me see. That is so weird because last time I pulled this up, hang on, that's not what I saw. Let me see. It was like professional printing or something. Like, hold on, y'all spoofed me. Here I'm ready to do another video, and I don't see what I saw earlier. It was like, hey, get started. Promotional. Oh, come on. Okay. Anyway. You've got to be kidding me. Like I just opened it all up right. Okay, I'm gonna close out of here. Let me save this. I'm gonna push pause because you gotta see that this was really fast and simple earlier when I did it. I'm gonna push pause, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So basically what I did, so when I logged in, it like already had a place for me to sign in, but now it's just keeping me signed in. It won't sign me out. But basically I pushed for business and then or promotional products. Then it took me to a new website. And then this is where it told me that I could, what does this keep doing this to me? Anyway, did I push for business? Did I push services? Maybe I pushed document printing. Okay, I pushed document printing. I'm so sorry. My goodness, I've done this so many times. You're going to go to professional print, and you're going to push start project. Such a dork. Okay, you're going to, wherever your documents are loaded. So I've already loaded mine. They're on my computer, and I loaded these earlier. Okay, what I did while mine were loading, so it goes to this loading, I actually had this right here I printed on sticker paper, and I'll do another video to show you how I printed on sticker paper to create these little stickers right here, these little colorful stickers that I put into my plan book. So this, as you can see right here, this is for the month of October. So while it's loading, okay, pretend it's loading because it actually did take a little while. Let me double check and make sure that that one, rainforest, goes with October. October rainforest, okay. And then I'm going to put my little, take off the back of the sticker. So these are homemade stickers. I ordered a box of sticker paper, and then you can run them through your color printer. And they usually come off really easily. Oh, I wish I was better at editing because then I would edit, but I know editing takes a lot of time. Sometimes I just have to push pause. I'm just going to push pause in my video because the sticker paper will not come off. Seriously. And it was just coming off so easy earlier. Okay, there it is. Okay, trash. I have a trash pile on the floor. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right by my October sticker. Right there. I'll line it up so that when I'm going through my calendar, I can see what my theme is and what's going on for the month of October, okay? And That's how I'm organizing my lessons this year. I'm organizing them by theme and then also by the art technique. Okay, so I've got it all uploaded. Okay. And then it's going to ask you what you want to do with it. Okay. I'll just upload one just so you can see. Okay, so I'm going to upload this one, and it's going to upload, and I'm going to cut these out. In my other video, I'm going to show you two different ways. One, you can use one of these hole punches. Okay, if you have any kind of circle prints or circle stickers that are handmade, maybe you want custom stickers. Maybe there's something specific that you want to say, either for, or specific design for the sticker, and maybe you want it, I'm cutting this out, so I'm cutting around the circle. Oh, okay, my file's complete. Okay, continue. I'll continue that over there later. Okay. And I have one in my cart already. I sure do hope it's still there because I uploaded those little rascals. Okay, and then I'm going to tell it what I want to print next, okay? The 11 by 17 is going to be an inch smaller, or, well, half an inch on each side, an inch smaller than the 12 by 18, but it's significantly cheaper, like 96 cents versus $10.25, $10.50, okay? It is worth it. Then I realized once I put this through my Pro Clip, it used to be called Pro Clip, I think it's called Swingline now brand, hole puncher. It's like a binding system where you put the edge of your piece of paper in there. In this case, it would be the 11-inch side. You put the 11-inch side in there, and you zip over it real quick. You go, and then it puts all these tiny hole punches in the edge. Basically, like if you had it spiral bound, it basically puts little holes in the edge that are circles. And then you can put it together so you can make your own big books. So much cheaper than the other alternatives. Okay, so then I'm going to go next. I'm going to choose you probably don't want this on colored paper. I don't think they do give you a little bit of an option right here. I don't want it on colored paper because it's really colorful anyway. I'm going to have this be on gloss paper, heavyweight. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. If you watch my other video, which is a lot longer than this one, sorry, that's what I did. You're going to choose the color ink option. No finishing. I don't need to have it laminated or anything. I can laminate it on my campus at my own school a lot cheaper. Okay, and then I'm going to choose my delivery method. And there's going to be a charge for the shipping. So what I would do, so it's going to be like basically $9 for shipping. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more printing. So maybe you do this once a month. Maybe you have things printed once every couple of months. And if you plan ahead far enough, oh, it does have it. It does have my other one that I made earlier. It's right there. Yay! It's the little things, guys, that get us excited. So if you plan far enough ahead to where you don't have to pay that shipping fee, it's worth doing that. Okay. And then remember at the end of the year you can take off. I think it used to be like $500. It might be like $250 off of your taxes as like things that you spent in your classroom, like educational. I mean, come on, people. Do we only spend $250 in our classroom? If you do, I applaud you, or condemn you. I don't know. No, I would not condemn somebody. But, sorry about that. So anyway, and then I'll just do continue shopping. Okay. And then, so when you check out, it's going to, please place your order. You're going to put your name and information and such in there. Anyway, so I'm going to go back to that. I'm going to get rid of this one, edit. You can either edit or delete. I think, let's see, how would you delete this? So if you did make a mistake and there was something you didn't want, number of copies 0. No, let me see. Special instructions, delete. I'm going to continue. It's got to be easier to delete it than that. Okay, so edit. I'll figure it out. Edit, delete. Review summary. Back. And just. How do I get it off? Okay, I'll figure it out. Comment below if you figured it out. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm sure y'all saw this before I did. There's a remove item button right there. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. You know, I've done that on other people's videos. Like, I'll say, oh, it's right there, you know, and the person can't find it. And I do the exact same thing. I'm like looking all over the place for this, like I'm looking for X's and a remove or delete, and okay, there it is. Anyway, so I'm gonna remove that item. Oh goodness. Then I'm gonna go back and I'll do some more shopping and print some other things that I want to print, some things that I would normally print at home, and if I don't have to have it color printed at home, I mean, I've got a color printer and it works fine. This just ends up being so much better. And let's see, document printing, there we are, document printing, professional print. And then I'll go back and I'll upload some more things. Okay, professional print, start project. I'm getting faster. Anyway, and then if it's in your Google Drive, let me see, connect. Actually, I haven't done this yet. So you gotta allow, of course. And then let me see, what are y'all gonna see? What are y'all gonna see? So let's say, let me go to this one right here. And I've already got one of those. Let me go ahead and upload this and workshop work, but let me go ahead and upload this and see if there's something that I've used before. If not, obviously, now I know where the remove button is. Anyway, so I'm going to end this video soon. Hopefully this helped. And if you remember to select the professional prints, and then also, okay, I see it's just like it's just a one page. Yeah, I don't want that. Anyway, but you can see how easy it is to go to professional print, go to, yes, I want to continue, to upload, to select your 11 by 17 document so that you can get them a lot cheaper. And then I would suggest the delivery, even though there's just a little bit of a delivery charge. If you don't spend like that whole amount, because you're really going to save by having it be just a little bit smaller. And the quality was really good. Actually, I like the quality of the 11 by 17 a little bit better than I did a lot better than I did the one that I paid more money for, which was the 12 by 18, and that was like the one that was over $10. Anyway, so I'm going to end this video. I hope this helped you guys out. Like all the other YouTubers that I watch, is like, if it did, please consider subscribing and hit that like button in the face. Thanks, guys.